Now that we know what causes maskne, let's look into things that can be done to avoid maskne or at least to put it under control. So the first and the most important thing to consider here is the type of mask or the fabric that goes into the mask you're wearing. Try to stick on to breathable, soft materials like 100% cotton or silk. Try and avoid synthetic materials like polyesters and rayon. So try to wear a mask that is tightly woven 100% cotton, that is multi-layered. But if you are a healthcare worker or you're working closely with COVID positive patients or you're a high risk candidate, then mask accordingly. You should be using N95 mask or surgical mask. There's also a separate video that we've done on the right mask for you, so you can check that video out. But if you are a general public and you're not in high risk circumstances, then a mask that is breathable, that can provide a two-way protection is very important. So try to stick on to masks made of cotton, which probably has a filter in it. Always wash your mask before the first use, and always wash your mask after using it. So if you're using a mask say for like 5 or 10 minutes for a quick outing, then that's still okay, you can probably reuse this mask. But if you are using a mask for say more than 40 minutes, you should definitely be washing the mask and only reuse it after washing. So try to keep multiple masks at your disposal so that you can frequently change your mask and wash your mask at regular intervals. So the summary of masks is that it should be easy and breathable and soft on your skin, so which means it should be made up of materials like cotton. It should provide two-way protection, which means it should be multi-layered and probably with a filter. Now that your mask is taken care of, let's look into the skincare. Now the idea behind skincare in this kind of irritant situations is to calm and soothe your skin, right? So the first step is to wash your face at regular intervals. So ideally 2 to 3 times washing your face is a good idea, because the skin, your pores are being clogged and blocked with all the elements like sweat, oils, bacteria, dead skin cells. You should keep in mind that you have to wash your face, exfoliate your skin at regular intervals in order to unclog your pores. So using a good face wash and washing your face 2 to 3 times with cold water or water at room temperature is important. Try and avoid washing your face with hot waters. And after face wash, do not rub your skin with the towel, instead dab it gently with a nice soft material so that you are not irritating your skin or causing more inflammation of the skin. Try to be gentle in case of acne or in case of inflamed skin. So after you wash your face, do not forget to apply a nice light water-based moisturizer, because your skin is irritated and also because there's going to be a lot of friction. The superficial layer or the skin barrier is constantly going to be abraded, so you have to protect your skin by using a nice moisturizer, and on top of which you can apply a nice water-based sunscreen that is not heavy or greasy. So the most important point here is to ditch all the creams or lotions that are heavy and greasy and are going to block your pores even more. So try to use something that is light and water-based. So now you have applied moisturizer, you have applied a sunscreen before you step out into sun. If you're not going out during the daytime or not stepping out during the sunny hours of the day, then you can take your sunscreen easy and only apply a nice moisturizer. Now on top of this, if you are using any medicated creams, like you have pigmentation or you have any other medicated creams, then you are it's good to be used, but again consult a dermatologist before doing so. And then on top of which you can put on your mask and step out. So if you are putting on your mask and you have to go with it for long hours, it is advisable for you to take it out once in a while in a safe atmosphere when you're not in public or when you're not in people who could potentially contract this condition to you, probably maybe when you're alone. So take your mask out, gently dab your skin with a clean cotton towel, or you can wash your face if the situation permits. The best thing would be to wash your face after a couple of hours, say 4 to 5 hours, or probably towards the evening you can wash your face and again gently dab it with a cotton towel and apply the creams as per the time of the day and as per the requirement. But hydration, moisturizing is a must. Always carry a pocket moisturizer with you wherever you're going in order to constantly keep your skin moisturized, again with a light based one so that it doesn't block your pores or clog your pores. And lip balm, carry your lip balm everywhere you go. Lip licking can only worsen the condition, it will make your lips even more dry. So the best way to keep it hydrated is to use a good lip balm that will keep your lips healthy, hydrated and moist. So whenever you're taking out your mask, the best way to do is to pull it from the strings and gently close it with the strings. Try and avoid touching the other parts of the masks, especially on the upper part of the mask. Try and avoid touching this part. Always try putting on or removing your mask only with the help of the ear strings. So now take away your mask once in a while, apply the creams required, and once you come back from work or come back from wherever you've gone to, take your mask, put it for wash your face with an apt face wash suggested by a dermatologist or the one that you're already using and that's suiting your skin, and then apply the creams again. Like I mentioned, if you're using mask for the whole time during the day, it is advisable for you to change at least 2 masks, because now the whole time there's a lot of sweat and oils that are being accumulated on the inside of the mask. So you're going with it through the day, it is only going to worsen the situation and also causes increased chance of pigmentation in this area. So try and change your mask at least 2 times if you're putting it on for the whole day. And if you're putting on masks with any other material for whatever reason, try to use a single layered cotton mask on top of which you can use masks with other materials that are probably irritating your skin. So try to use one single layer of cotton and then use the masks with other materials on top.